Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to delete your Safari history. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on Safari browser and then tap bookmark icon and then tap this clock icon and tap clear. And here select your time frame that you want to delete. For example, if you want to delete your history for last hour, tap last hour. If you want to delete your history for today or all history, then tap clear history. Perfect. So that's how you can delete your Safari history. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.